Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Day Trade with Zay. I'm Isaac, and today it is Wednesday, the 15th, June 15th, 2022. And yeah, let me go ahead and show you exactly what we had. So, yesterday we were able to catch this trade down to the downside, and we've seen some consolidation, right? And let me actually check something real quick. Yeah, we did have core retail sales come out today. Came out worse than expected, a lot worse. Let me just go ahead and show you. So we got a lot of news. We got FOMC coming out today. But core retail sales, they're forecasting 0.7%. We had less than expected at 0.5%. Retail sales expecting 0.1%. They had negative 0.3%. And then the Empire State Manufacturing Index, we're expecting a forecast of 2.4, and they see negative 1.2%. So the news is all bad today, and I think the federal funds rate is today, so we might not see a big move today. So that's something I'll be taking a look at. And yeah, I do kind of like this area right here to sell from. This is the 15-minute chart, but this ILC was being respected before. We could go ahead and go from here, move this out, move this down, something like this, and it's at the 61.8%. So that makes me feel a lot better about this trade right here. And if it just falls off at 630, um, you know, I might enter right here, but I really do want to wait for price to get back up here around 475, and we could see something like this. Even though price kind of, broke the highs right here, right? Or the lower highs, because we had, let's just keep it simple, lower low, lower high, lower low, higher, lower low, broke below this low, lower high, lower, higher low, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, lower low, lower high, higher low. So it's kind of hard to tell, but I want to say we're still in a downtrend, right? Just because that's just what it is right now. But I will be looking to take a trade from this area right here. We know that price has actually come up and respected and rejected these areas up top. Something like this. So we'll see if it gives it to us, if it pushes back up to this area. It looks like it definitely could. So we'll see right here, you know. We shall see right here. Yeah, I do like this area. I like the rejections. I guess we just have to see how this next 15-minute candle finishes. But I do like it. So this is where I'm going to be looking to sell from. Um, yeah, we'll see what it gives us right now. We still got about 10 minutes till open, 9.5 minutes till open. So we'll see exactly what it gives us right now. Bitcoin is, slowly but surely tumbling, even though we got a little bit of push up. But I was looking for price to hit about this 19,500 level. Looks like it's going a little bit up. Ethereum. See my Ethereum chart. Hold on a second. Shit. Price broke below all my shit on Ethereum. I did buy some Ethereum around 1220, and looking to see if that's going to be the one, but we'll see. Yeah, it could come down to 750 again. If it does, I'll be there. It's already gone down to 10, so we'll see. We shall see. See if it gives us another entry right here. So I just entered a sell right now. I don't recommend you do it. I say you wait, but I just wanted to make sure. Let me just show you right here that I was able to enter, even though it still could possibly just shoot up from here. So I wouldn't enter quite yet, but I entered because of this ILC right here. So went a little bit lower, just about right here. So it can still reject this the 1 minute 20 EMA right now, or the 1 minute 50 EMA right now, and just continue to push up. Which you can see it's basically been doing, right? Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Well, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So let's see if it continues to push up, or because we still do have 7 minutes, 6 minutes till open. So we'll see what it gives us. I just entered a position right now just because of that ILC. We'll see what it does from here. Does look like it should continue up. We'll see. So it is pushing a little bit, but like I said, open's about to come in about 4 minutes, and it still looks like it's respecting the 20 EMA right here. So I think we will see a push up into the zone, and we'll see what price gives us once it gets up in there. So let me go ahead and get these charts ready. getting my screens ready. I recommend if you don't, that you don't have them. I mean, the 15-minute does look good, but there's still 3 minutes left. So that's a lot of time for price to continue to push up and reject. But we're up a bit right now. So we'll see if it continues to push up from here or if we're going to see it fall off. I'm going to leave the 1 minute on right here. But you can see it's still respecting this 20 EMA. Using it as support, still got 2.5 minutes, so it can still push up here. So let's see. And you see how price did that the last 8 seconds, right? And it tends to do that, right? It's bearish the entire 50 seconds of this 1 minute, and then it went totally bullish on us, and now it's respecting and rejecting. So I think we could see a push up here. Just my thought process. 15 minute. I'll do this for my coach to let you know. All right, we got about a minute till open, so we'll see what it gives us. Seems like it is going to come up though, so let's just wait and see. See what the market gives us. And remember, on these terrible news days where news is like all bad for the dollar and everything like that, sometimes it does put the fakes on us. So you can see the last 25 seconds. What does it do? Boom. Not only that, this little push up right here changed the trajectory of the 15-minute. Now this little push here is turning this into a bearish candle, right? So that alone is going to make us think. Let's see. I like for it to finish a little bit smaller, 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 smaller. We'll see right here. Look at that, pushing up. So let's see if we could get an entry right here. Oh shit. Just entered. Oh shit. I don't know if I like that. I just entered another position. We'll see if it goes our way, but that is a bit of a push right there. It's an even better rejection, but let's see what it does. Whoa. Very, very volatile right now, so be careful. I'm in at a 86. All right, we're in there. I'm in at 86, 68, 64. Let's see if it can continue to push down. Not what I was hoping for. It's a big push back up. Let's see if it can continue down. Very, very volatile right now at open though. Don't necessarily like that push back up. Let's see if it can continue to, well, use this as resistance and fall off. If it pushes above here, then not too sure about the trade. Got 6 seconds left. Like for it to fall off below here, but it doesn't look like it. Yeah, it doesn't look like it's going our way right now, so don't necessarily like it, but we'll see what it, if it continues down. Yeah, it doesn't look so great. I think I'm gonna close one of my positions. Yeah, it looks like it's shooting up pretty high. Yeah, you could see it's definitely moving, so I'm gonna close my bottom positions out. I just don't want to be stuck, with my thumb up my ass. So I'm closing my bottom positions just to get me out of here. But it's volatile as hell right now, I'll tell you that much. Shit, I'm about to get stopped out up here. See, I gotta get stopped out of my best position. Let's just see if it can continue down. That's the biggest thing. Can it continue down? Or is it just gonna stay real stagnant for the next 4 hours until FOMC? And I think it might do that, truthfully. I think it might stay stagnant for the next 4 hours, but we'll see. It could consolidate and, take people's money right now. It's known to do that on FOMC day, especially federal funds rate day. And people are expecting a 0.75 rate hike, which is pretty big, right? It's usually it comes in 0.25 increments, but it looks like it's coming in 0.75 increments for the next. I think they said uh, three. What do they call it? Three quarters. So, and you can see it looks like price is just continuing up. It might just do that. So we'll see right now. Yeah, that 5 minute finish way too bullish for me. Still 20 seconds, so it could still fly up right here. Which it looks like it's doing. I'm still holding my positions. Let's see the way that finished though. See if it can continue down. If it just continues to play in here, I might just pull all my positions and call it a day. Just because I don't want to, how would you say it? I have a chance right here. I'm definitely going to pull. I have a 0.03. I'm pulling that thing right here. Oh my gosh. Yeah, this shit's going to be playing, I think. Damn, should have just pulled all my shit. Got on with my day. Yeah, that was dumb with me. Should have just pulled it. Yeah, that shit definitely fucking juked me. Even though I feel like it should fall off, I don't think it is. I think look at that push up. That's it. Yeah, it's just gonna stack up and push up. Yeah, truthfully, I think might have messed up. I think even though I'm still holding, I think I'm gonna get out. I think price is just gonna continue to push up, and it's gonna be one of those days where it's gonna push up even though all the news is bad, everything's going against us. I think it's one of those days where it just continues to push, unfortunately, which happens, right? And my bottom positions are in this R2S level where it's like support, support, resistance, 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 support, right? So it could just continue to push up right here. It's pretty ugly open. This is the 630 candle right here. Big rejection. It's really why I've been keeping it is because of this candle and then these two rejections, but not sure it's going to go our way. Yeah, it looks like it's just going to consolidate, truthfully. Wow. That might be my biggest problem is getting in these trades. And hit that. Son of a bitch. That might be my biggest issue is getting in these trades. And I see the confirmation, right? Like, oh, it broke below here, but then it pushes up back on top, right? And it's respecting and rejecting and using as support the 50 EMA, right? This right here was the biggest telltale sign for me is this huge rejection candle. What is that? 11426 to 11445. So a 20 pip rejection, right? And then price pushed back on top. Once price came back here and this bear candle rejected the 20 EMA, I should have pulled all my positions right there and just taken the L. Said, okay, price is going to push up. Because you just got to listen to what price is doing, right? It's following the little, even though it's a small trend line right now, it's following it. And, you know, now you can see the 15-minute, the way that's operating and moving right now, right? So I pull my positions, I would get out the trade. Um, just because it looks like price is just going to continue to push up from here. So we might see price make it all the way up to these levels up here. Could see more rejections up here, right? So I think we could see price push all the way up this way. And it usually happens like that. I kind of had that gut feeling where price kind of the news was so bad that I didn't believe it. Like the news was so bad that I didn't think price was going to necessarily listen to it, right? So that's where you got to kind of listen to your gut. Say, okay, it looks like price is just gonna. It's following this trend line. It's staying and respecting the. You can see how it's respecting the 15-minute 20 EMA and the 5-minute 20 EMA, right? So just all the respect was shown, and that's my fault for not listening. At the end of the day, that's what it really comes down to. So I definitely think it could make its way up, though. I'm gonna see if we could get maybe add a position up here, but I'm not sure. Like I said, I think price might be waiting for 11 a.m. as well. You gotta listen to that one. When it does that, you gotta listen to it. I think I will wait for it to get up to at least the 78.6 that we've been going off of the past couple days. So I think that's around like 550. But who knows? This is a strong level right here, this 500 level. So we'll see. Yeah, definitely the way that finished looks like it's going to continue to push up. It might come down a little bit, but I think it's still going to overall respect all of this because it's just a push up, a higher high, and maybe a higher low. But even then, it looks like it's respecting whatever this is right here. Yeah, so I'll be looking for price to get up right around here. Okay, so like 580-ish, 570-ish. That's where I'll be looking to put in. See right now. Shit, might make its way down. There's a big key area right here if it just rejects 20 EMA. But truthfully, I'd probably want to see it get below here, get below the 1 minute EMA, and then we could possibly see it push back up and use this area as rejection again. So maybe like a left shoulder, head, right shoulder type of thing. But you see how it rejected the 20 EMA right there and just tapped it and pushed up. We'll see. Yeah, this thing's staying stagnant. I don't know if I should just get off and call it a day. It's kind of where I'm headed. Just not too sure. It looks like it's gonna get up to our zone. I just don't know when. Just because we have FOMC today. Um, I think it should get up to our zone, but we'll see right now. Well, maybe it'll make its move right now. Maybe not. Shit, looks like it's kind of coming down. But still respecting the 20 EMA right there, so let's see. See how it still respects the 20 EMA right there and continues to push up. So I think it should make it to our zone up there. Let's just see how long it's going to take. Oh, shit. It's kind of making its push down right now, but let's see. Oh, shit. Okay. Now it's rejecting the 50 EMA. So let's see if it pushes up from here or if it's going to continue to go down. So if it breaks below this 20 EMA right here, if it breaks below here and comes back up and retest, definitely going to hop back in. So let's see. Smile on my face, but are you happy for me? Yeah, it looks like it's going to push up. So, well, I'm going to just wait. It looks like nobody's on right now anyway. So I'm going to wait to see what price does. Hopefully it can continue to push up to our zone up here. And then we could hop in. But again, I'm looking for this area. Up top right here. Maybe something like that. Small position here, bigger position up here, and then we could enter the trade and take it down. Hopefully to at least the support level, but I'm thinking at least down here. So 200 pips, I'd be looking for that. So if you guys, what's up, Jalen? Yeah, I trade NAS and US30. So it's either one of the two of those. I try to just stick to those pairs and, you know, figure out these movements, and that's about it, man. So just trading NAS and US30. The reason I trade NAS more often is because my stop losses don't have to be so big, and that's really the main point. I like that rejection though. The 1 minute it rejected the 50. I'm sorry, the ILC right here. You can see right here the clean rejection, but still rejecting the 20 EMA. So yeah, I'd like to see it push below the 50 EMA right here and then come back up and retest. Still respecting it. Not necessarily pushing through it, so looks like it's just going to continue to push up, my opinion. I'm down to 89 for the day. Let's see if we can get up in this bitch. Still respecting it. See that? Well, gave us a little fake out. If it would have finished below here, like the candle would have finished below here, that we could have seen if it retested right here. But since it just wicked out, then now it looks like it's just gonna push up. Yeah, I think probably the best thing that I could do is wait. So before I start hopping in all types of shit. All right, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and wait, and we'll see if I mean, it looks like it's actually coming up there right now. So let's see. Give me a quick second. Again, I'm looking to get up in there around 550 to 580. We'll just see what the push is looking like. So give me a quick second right now.